Conor McGregor may be the face of the fight game, but it's been 500 days since he last fought in the octagon. As you can imagine, a lot's gone on since then. Here's the timeline. Let's start with McGregor's last fight, November 12, 2016. A win over Eddie Alvarez for the UFC lightweight belt at UFC 205 to become the first UFC fighter ever to hold two belts simultaneously. 2 weeks later, Daniel Cormier got injured, so in need of a new headliner for UFC 206, Dana White stripped McGregor of his featherweight belt and promoted interim champ Jose Aldo to undisputed champion. With Aldo injured and unable to fight, White scheduled an interim featherweight title fight between Anthony Pettis and Max Holloway. Days later, McGregor applied for a boxing license in California.
All work is what? All work is what?
Fast forward to June 14, 2017, Floyd Mayweather, McGregor, and White agreed to terms for a mega fight. That spectacle went down on August 26, 2017, when Mayweather knocked out McGregor in the 10th round in what was one of the most lucrative boxing matches of all time. On October 7, 2017, Tony Ferguson defeated Kevin Lee for the UFC interim lightweight title belt. Then, on January 18, 2018, rather than scheduling a fight between McGregor and Ferguson, the UFC scheduled Khabib Nurmagomedov and Tony Ferguson to officially headline UFC 223 for the lightweight belt. More than a month later, Dana White confirmed to ESPN he will strip McGregor of the belt after UFC 223, which takes place April 7th in Brooklyn.